Hi everyone, it's Mr. Whaley. Today we're going to be working on writing the number 1. We can also practice counting the number 1, and I'm going to show you a couple different ways. One way is with our fingers. We're going to do it like this, where we would just say 1. Another way we could do it is starting with our pinky, and we're going to be practicing that a lot more with our other numbers as we get higher in the numbers. So today let's just practice by counting to 1 on our pinky. 1. Do that with me. 1. Nice job. All right, go ahead and get your paper that looks just like this out in front of you. On the back we have our number 1. We watched the Meet the Numbers video, and we watched the brave number 1 on the tightrope riding his unicycle. And what I noticed about this unicycle is it only has one wheel. So cool. Number 1. So on the back, we have our boxes where we're going to practice writing the number 1. Go ahead and get out your pencil, and we're going to start by writing our name at the top. I'm going to use a marker just so that you can see it a little bit better, because if I use the pencil, it's just a little bit too light. And let's go ahead and start by writing our name at the top. All right, and then we're ready to begin. Now when I'm looking at this page, we're going to actually start here on this row, and we're going to work our way this way, and then we'll come down to this row and do it second, and we'll work our way down. I'm going to start at the top row. We can see that they already did one for us, and so we just need to finish the row, and we're going to trace these dots that they have given us. And I have something special I like to say when I'm doing the number 1, and I say it just like this. Come right down and that is all. Come right down and that is all. Come right down and that is all to make the numeral 1. Go ahead and do those 3 just like I did. And then one thing I also forgot to point out is that when we're looking at this page, I can look really closely. I'm going to make this bigger so you can see it. At the top, the dot, sorry, let me get it focused for us. There we go. The top dot is a little bit bigger and darker than the rest of the dots. And that is really important because that dot tells us right where we need to start. And that top dot, he always says, start with me, start with me. So we want to make sure that we do what he asks and start right there at the top. So go ahead and put your pencil right there on that black dot. And we're going to bring it straight down. When we get to the bottom, we stop. Just like that. Let's move on down to the next row. I'm going to zoom back out just a little bit so you can see all my boxes. Here we go. So we're going to start here. Remember we started that top dot, that dark one that's a little bit bigger. And he says, start with me, start with me. So we're going to go ahead and put our pencil there. And we're going to go straight down, and that is all. So I'm going to say my little rhyme. Come right down, and that is all. Come right down, and that is all. Come right down, and that is all to make the numeral 1. Now on this line, it was really cool because they did not have those dots for us anymore, did they? So we had to be able to do that all by ourselves. We had to really pay attention to what we were doing and make sure that we're doing it just like they showed us on that first row. Now if you didn't get it perfect the first try, that's okay. We have so many more rows that we're going to be doing this on. And so you'll have plenty of time to practice. Let's go ahead and get our pencil on that next dot. Put it right at the top and come straight down and then stop. Good. Let's do our rhyme on the next 3. Come right down and that is all. Come right down and that is all. Come right down and that is all to make the numeral 1. 2 more rows to go. You guys are doing so great. I'm going to scoop my paper just a little bit. There we go. Let's go ahead and start. Put our pencil on that top dot, that one that says start with me, start with me. Put it on there, and we're going to come straight down and stop. Good job. Let's do our rhyme for the next 3. Here we go. Come right down, and that is all. Come right down, and that is all. Come right down, and that is all to make the numeral 1. All right, we're on our last row. Number ones. You guys have been doing a really good job. Here we go. Put our pencil right here at the top. We're going to come straight down and stop. Now let's do our rhyme for our last three. Here we go. Come right down and that is all. Come right down and that is all. Come right down and that is all to make the numeral 1. All right, guys, you did such a good job. We wrote all of our number ones. Maybe next time you're coloring or you're writing and you have some paper you're working with, maybe you can practice writing your number ones some more. I think overall we did a good job today, and now we know how to write the numeral 1, and we also know how to count to 1 using our finger this way, 1, or starting with our pinky and doing it this way, 1. Good job. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.